What happened when we made Christmas cookies?
Ryan, are you sleepy?
No.
Stay there. Wait, don't do that. Don't do that. It's going to get all over the floor.
This is the cookie that Ryan made. A little cookie with a little bit of sprinkles and icing. Gotta hose them down. Christmas Eve at the Gardner house. Just like every other night. Cookies for Santa.